Hi, my name is Judith. Today I am going to show you how to change a light switch. You will need a pair of pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, a light switch, and the light switch cover to perform this task. First, you will have to make sure the electric is turned off. Find the breaker box and see which breaker belongs to the switch that you are working on. I've already had mine flipped off. This is the switch that we will be changing, and I'm going to begin by removing the cover. Just unscrew. There's your cover. Now let's set that to the side, and then you have your switch. First, we need to remove the screws. I will be using a flat screwdriver. I like to loosen each one just a little bit at a time. Okay, pull it out. And remember, as long as you flip the switch, there's no electric. There is your switch. Now you will need to remove all three wires. There's the white, the copper, and the black wires. Let's begin. Once your screw is loosened, the wires should just pop out right like that. If they're squeezed around the screws, it may be a little harder to get them loosened. Like right here. That's where your pliers come in handy. Pull it apart and pop it out. Now, you have your new switch. It actually is slightly different. As you can see, both screws are on the same side, and then the ground screw is on the opposite side, which is the green screw. It should be on off. Your green screw will be on the bottom. The two gold screws will be on the right side when you look at it. So, you hold it like this, separate your wires so they're not all twisted up. It just makes it easier to work with. Place your copper wire on the green screw. Now take the screwdriver and tighten. I like to make sure they're nice and snug so they don't come loose. Place your white wire on the bottom gold screw. You may have to loosen them up. Then I like to take the pliers and make sure it's on the screws so that way it does not pop off. Now tighten. Okay, one wire left. Straighten it out. It will go on the top gold screw. I like to tighten just to make sure it does not come off as I'm tightening the screw. Now you get your screwdriver and just snug it up. You don't want to over tighten either. It could actually break the wire. Okay, there we have it. Does yours look like this? Now, whenever you push this back in, make sure to slightly bend the wire. You don't want to bend it too much, because if you break the coating on top of the wire, it can short out, and that will not be good. So once you get it pushed in there, take your screwdriver, snug it up. You don't want to overly tighten. Try to line it up, because if it's not centered, some of the hole may stick out whenever you put the cover on. Okay, here's our cover. Open it, and then you place it over top of your switch. The screw hole should line up.